Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the newest KB community, Upton. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the plan 1768, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to the newest KB home community here in Las Vegas. The community is called Upton. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right over here. Great area too guys, by the way. Right off of the 215 and Sunset. As you can see, right over here, great views of the mountain guys. South Summerlin is just over there. Now, if you look over here, we have Ikea. Okay, we have the Durango Hotel and Casino as well. Centrally located, you guys. Plenty of good restaurants close by. Easy access to the 15. Really great area. I can't emphasize that enough, you guys. I will have the floor plan on the screen for you guys. So they offer 5 floor plans here, all ranging from 1590 square feet all the way to 2469 square feet. All these homes are going to be 2-story homes, and I've done video tours on a lot of these models, so you've probably seen them before. But the base prices range from $449,990 all the way up to $499,990. Now guys, when you see the base price, just know that does not include the lot premium and the upgrades, okay? So on average, the lot premiums are gonna range from about $6,000 to $18,000, okay? Now I was just speaking to the gentleman inside, and he said he sold a corner lot for $18,000. So I'm guessing, the other lots are going to be closer to $6,000 to $8,000. As far as upgrades, now buyers are normally putting about 10% of the base price in upgrades, okay? So go ahead guys, do the math. So you got your base price, lot premium, as well as your upgrades. In this community, what they're doing is they are doing a mixture of selling dirt lots as well as building like quick move-in homes. Now the quick move-in homes here aren't as quick as other places, new communities. The quick move-ins here are, what they do is they literally get a lot, they choose all the options, and these lots are going to be ready in about 5 to 6 months, versus if you build from lot up, then you're going to be waiting from about 6 to 8 months, okay? HOA in this community is going to be $60 a month. It's not gated, so in this community, you're going to have a park, which will that will be included with your $60 a month. The average lot square feet is going to be 3,010 square feet. Now, one thing I will say about this community, which makes this community really different from a bunch of KB communities, you're gonna have, for a lot of these homes, you're gonna have side yards, not backyards, okay? So we just toured the plan 2469. Normally, you have a slider in the back that goes to the backyard, but as you can see, when we check out the model house, the slider will be on the side and you'll have a side yard. The smaller floor plans will have the backyards, okay? That's all the information I got for you, so let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the plan 1768. Now this is 1768 square feet, guys, 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $454,990. Now, if you are building from lot up, you have a choice between 3 different elevations. So I will have those 3 different elevations on the screen right now. That's just how the exterior looks, okay, guys? Paver driveways is included. Desert landscaping is included, okay? You'll also have the tankless water heater inside the garage. Now with this model house, they have a lot of standard options. It's good to see because it definitely lets you know, helps you understand what the standard options look like. So KB, they normally do this with a lot of their communities. They always have, like, if they have like 3 models, they'll always have like 1 that will just be like a bunch of standard options, guys. So here, I will show you guys this right now. So these are the upgrades that they have in this house, okay? So it's actually not that much. So as far as the flooring goes, This is the ceramic tile that is included. Okay, you have this, you have maybe 2 or 3 options of this, but this would be only in the wet areas, you guys. So it'd be the wet areas is the kitchen, bathroom, entryway, and the laundry room. And then you'd have carpet all throughout the house. Okay. Now, again, what a lot of buyers do is they'll upgrade, they'll get like the vinyl plank, they'll upgrade it to vinyl plank. They won't even have the ceramic tile, and then they'll put it all throughout the first floor. Okay. So that's something you can do. If you were trying to cut costs, what I recommend as well is just using the standard tile and then just expanding it all throughout the first floor. So if you kind of have a tight budget, you know, that's something that I would definitely recommend. So we have the door to your garage right here. Okay. Also, this is 8-foot ceilings, guys. I mean, it's hard to tell on video, but you know, just from coming out of the last 2 model houses, you could definitely feel the difference. Highly recommend 9-foot ceilings. It's great for resale purposes too. A lot of buyers, they want to get into, you know, they want higher ceilings. Okay. As far as the cabinets that you're looking at and the countertop is upgraded. This is to like the level 1 quartz right here. So normally comes with standard, it would be granite. These cabinets are standard though. So oven, microwave, dishwasher, those are standard. Okay, so you got that right there. Okay, so you have the undermount sink. Okay, pretty decent sized pantry. So because this is one of their smaller floor plans, most likely you'll have like backyard space. You'll also have your powder room right over here in the corner. Okay, pedestal sink, toilet. So everything that you see about this bathroom right now, including the flooring, that's standard. Okay, there's no upgrades to this bathroom at all. Okay, so you also have your linen closet, your coat closet. Okay. Now this slider is about 6 by 7. If you have the 9-foot ceilings, you're gonna have like the 8-foot slider. So nice, cozy living room. So let's go upstairs. See this, these stair rails are upgraded. If you didn't upgrade them, you just have a pony wall, which is, the pony walls are just like an extension of the drywall. So you have nice loft right here, primary bedroom, laundry room, and then you're gonna have your 2 guest bedrooms right over here. So you got your living room right here. Also, this bathroom, this is a standard bathroom. There is no upgrades in this bathroom. So it even comes with the 1 sink and the drop-in sink. Okay, so the Moen faucet, that's standard. Definitely a 100% standard bathroom. Okay, also you do have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. You don't have the option, unfortunately, to upgrade the second floor ceilings. Okay, again, the only community I think you could do that is the community in Summerlin. But you know what? I don't know if it's you could upgrade it or if it already comes with 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. You got this bedroom right here. I would say this is probably about 11 by 12. Okay, it's definitely very colorful in here. All right, guys, so if you're interested in a new build home, such as this one, or any other community, guys, reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. You can call or text me, or at least if you're working with a realtor, let your realtor know that you're interested in some new construction homes. You want to make sure they're there with you on your very first visit, because if you visit by yourself and you give them your information, they won't let you have representation down the road. Guys, you definitely want representation because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new build, not you, okay? So realtors, we look after your best interests. We negotiate for you. We make sure you get the best incentives, and the builders actually pay the agent fees. So it's a win-win scenario for you. All right. So we got that cozy loft. Check out this laundry room. So refrigerator, washer, dryer are not included. You could buy that with the new builds with KB, or you could buy that at the store. If you buy it with the new builds, their prices are actually pretty competitive to, like Best Buy and stuff. So, if you want to go that route, I wouldn't be mad at it. All right, so welcome to the primary bedroom. This is going to be a king size bed. Okay. So if you do have a king size bed here, as you're going to see, it's going to take most of the room in the bedroom. Okay. So, we do have this side table right here. You also got another side table right there. All right, guys. So this full bath you're looking at 100% standard. Okay. The cabinets, the drop-in sink, the Moen faucets, the tile, the shower tub combo. Okay. As well as you got your linen closet right here. Now, in every model house that I went to today for this Uptown community, they all had a different primary bathroom option. So the 2469, I believe, had the separate shower, separate tub. So that option was an upgrade. The second one, the 2049, had just the large walk-in shower. So that's an upgraded one. Now this is the standard right here, the shower tub combo. You also have your toilet room, and then your walk-in closet. Okay. All right, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the plan 1768. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or just reach out to me, guys. You could call or text me. But yeah, until then, I will catch you guys next video.